Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Need to find local channels on your Hisense TV. In this video I will show you how to perform a channel scan on any Hisense Smart TV in just few minutes. Whether step 1 is connect your antenna, connect your HD antenna or the anti-inner RF input in back of your Hisense TV. Position the antenna near a window or a high possible for the best reception. Second step is open settings. Press the home button on your remote. Go to settings. Third one is step 3, select channel settings. Navigate to settings, choose channel scan. Some Hisense models have show channels TV inputs are auto tuning. Step 4 is choose antenna. When prompted, selected air antenna. Do not choose cable unless you have a cable TV service. Fifth step is start auto channel scan. Select auto scan or auto program. Your TV will begin searching for available local channels. The scan usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. Sixth step is save the channels. When the scan finishes, select done or finish. Browse through your newly found local channels using the channel up or down buttons. Troubleshooting steps. If no channels are found, make sure the antenna cable is firmly connected. Verify that air antenna was selected instead of cable. Move the antenna closer to a window or a higher location. Run another channel scan. Check if local broadcast channels are available in your area. Final tip, rescan your Hisense TV every few months or whenever you move your antenna. Local broadcaster occasionally add or change channels, and fresh scan helps ensure you receive all available free over the air TV stations. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below. Thank you.